can make a Nintendo RC car, a fishing rod, a house, motorcycle, piano, and I don't know what that is, but
yeah, me neither. But I saw that earlier and I couldn't figure out what it was. But yeah, let's open it up and see what's going on. All right, cool. Okay, so. Quietly. Cool. That's it, and it should be super
Mario easy.
maybe not.
Told you. Need some teeth.
Wow. I broke the box. I'm trying to break the box. Ooh, wait. What's wrong? Flip it this way. And alright, turn on the switch, open it up. Alright, so it pops up right here immediately. You can see it right here. Nintendo Labo toy kit. Alright, here you go.
Thanks.
Cool.
Oh, I made this all on my own. So you have the choice of RC car, fishing rod, house. This is so hard to control. Motorbike. Okay.
I want to do the RC car.
And piano.
Can we do the RC car?
Yes, we can do the RC car. Sorry, I can't get it again.
Forward. So, oh, it's the fast motion. That was just a fast motion of what it's gonna be like, and that's what it's gonna look like. We're done.
Alright, you gotta find it.
I'm so excited.
But the RC car saying this is fishing.
Alright guys, so we finished with the RC car.
Yeah.
It's a little loose, but they said it's okay.
They said it's the key of making the RC car thing move.
The RC car move, which the RC car moves.
Which is kind of confusing, so let's play now. Yeah.
So let's see what they're talking about.
What the?
Oh, it must be the control. Okay, so it must be the controllers. Wait, make it move forward. Wait. How you make it move forward?
I don't know.
Wait, I want to play now. That goes now. Wait. Let me see.
It blew up.
Yeah, because you're not playing it right. Now I'm excited. Let me see.
No, you're gonna make it fall. This is so awesome. Like, I'm real confused with this.
So this is pretty cool. Alright, obviously I had a lot of fun playing with my nephew with this and building this.
We are gonna make a part 2 whenever. Well, that was fun. We got to make this, and this. So, it's really cool.
Yeah, it is really cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.
See you next time in part 2.
See you next time in part 2.